Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, I'm going to show you how to make a simple speed table you can use when under power. This table will show you your speed through the water based on the RPM of your engine. You want to make your speed runs in little to no wind or current for more accuracy. Find two prominent marks about 1 mile apart, or you can use a measured mile like shown here on a nautical chart of Channel Islands Harbor. Set your throttle at the slowest speed possible. As soon as you are beamed the first set of markers, start your stopwatch and hold a steady course all the way up the measured mile. As soon as you arrive abeam of the second set of markers, stop your stopwatch and write down the time and RPM. Now let's keep our RPM at the same speed and make a run in the opposite direction. Start your stopwatch once abeam the first set of markers and make your run down the measured mile course. Once you arrive at the second set of markers, stop your stopwatch and write down the time on this run. Now let's calculate our speed at this specific RPM. For this calculation, we will divide our minutes into 60, and this will give us our speed on each run. Our first run at 400 RPM was 30 minutes. We divide 30 into 60, and this gives us 2 knots. Our second run at 400 RPM took 24 minutes. We divide 24 into 60, this gives us 2.5 knots. Now let's find the average of the first run and second run speeds. We add 2 knots to 2.5 knots and divide by 2. Our average speed at 400 RPM will be 2.25 knots. Repeat this sequence as you run up and down the measured mile at other RPMs. Once you have completed your speed versus RPM table, you can use this to estimate fuel requirements for cruising or sailing. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.